curious minds, welcome back to Thinker's Zone. You're back for decoding the science behind life itself. Today, we are diving into one of the most essential molecules in your body, proteins. Yes, those mighty little builders that keep you moving, thinking, healing, and growing. So grab your brain snacks and let's get into it. Proteins, the building blocks of life. Sounds important, right? That's because they are. Let's break it down piece by piece, amino acid by amino acid. Here's a quick quiz. What do your muscle, hair, skin, and nail have in common? Yes, they are all made of proteins. Even your immune system and enzymes rely on these molecules. Without them, life would simply fall apart, literally. What are proteins? Proteins are large, complex molecules made up of amino acids, the tiny Lego blocks of biology. They handle most of the heavy lifting in your body. In fact, there are over 1 lakh different types of protein working inside you right now. Amino acids, the building blocks. There are 20 different amino acids. Your body can make 11 of them, but 9 are essential, meaning you need to get them from food. These tiny guys combine in different ways to form the protein powerhouses we need to live. Protein isn't just in meat. Sure, you will find plenty in chicken, eggs, and fish, but plants like lentils, soy, and nuts are excellent source too. Whether you are a vegan or a meat lover, proteins has your back. What do proteins actually do? Let's play match the job. Collagen builds your skin and bones, that's structural protein. Hemoglobin carries oxygen, that's transport. Amylase help digest food, that's an enzyme. Antibodies fight off sickness, that's a defensive protein. Insulin controls sugar, that's a signaling protein. Proteins are multitasking champions. How much do you need? Well, it depends. The average adult need about 0.8 grams per kg of body weight. But athletes or bodybuilders, they might need up to 2 grams per kg. It's all about your activity level. Did you know? Spider silk is made of protein and it's stronger than steel. Hair is protein, we call it keratin. And guess what? Your body recycles 250 to 300 grams of protein every single day. Who knows, biology was this cool. What happens if you don't get enough? Skip proteins long enough and your body will tell you loudly. You might feel tired, weak, get sick easily, or even lose hair and muscles. Protein deficiency isn't fun, so let's avoid that, okay? So let's dig into a simple protein experiment. Wanna see protein in action? Heat an egg white, watch it turn from clear to white. That's denaturation, the protein structure changing because of heat. Science right in your kitchen. So what have we learned? Protein is essential, protein is everywhere, and protein is incredible. Eat smart, fuel right, and respect the builder of your body. If you found this helpful or cool, or just plain mind-blowing, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to thinker'szone, and share this with someone who's curious about health or science or both. And drop an emoji in the comments if you made it to the end. Thank you and see you next time with more science that makes sense.